The city softens when your shadow slips beside mine. A quiet shift, smoothing out the noise I held all day. You don't ask, but something in me loosens. Unforced calm, new sway. The voice brushes through the leftover static. A clean line cutting straight across my thoughts. I didn't know presence could feel this precise, steady warmth, no cost. Some people make the world feel alive. With you, the night stops rushing and finally takes its time. Clear tone, true sign. I don't need much, just a space you naturally fill. With you, everything goes still. Goes still. Your hand grazes mine like it's learning the shape again. A soft direction guiding me without a word. I lean closer before I even notice. Quieted echo, low hurt. The air grows brighter when you look straight at me. A subtle glow settling where my doubt once lived. I follow it like instinct remembers. New rhythm, forgive. Your nearness turns hesitation into ease. With you, the night stops rushing and finally takes its time. Clear tone, true sign. I don't need much, just a
接下来你等它转过来面向。